Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Jeep Renegade oil light. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off. You'll want to ensure the engine is not running and the ignition is in the OFF position before we begin. This initial step is crucial for the reset procedure to work correctly. We'll go through a simple, step-by-step process that you can easily follow to turn off that pesky oil change reminder. Let's get started and get that light off your dashboard. Next, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. You should see the dashboard lights illuminate. Once the ignition is on, fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 times within a 10-second window. It's important to do this quickly and completely for the system to register the input. This action signals to the vehicle's computer that you've performed the necessary maintenance. After you've completed the 3 pedal presses, turn the ignition back to the OFF position. Give it a moment, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds, for the system to process the reset. Then, start your engine as you normally would. The oil change indicator light should now be off, confirming a successful reset. If the light remains on, you might need to repeat the process carefully. If the oil light remains on after your first attempt, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing of the pedal presses and the ignition cycles. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get it just right. Always ensure your engine is off before starting the process. If the issue continues, it might be worth consulting your owner's manual or a certified technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.